I am Esakemal from Mahendrapuram village of Radhapuram Taluk. Under DST SC development projects, I have been provided with 3 goats and 1 buck. These goats have given birth to 21 kids during the last 3 years. The grown-up kids of 10 numbers were sold for rupees 60,000. After meeting the expenditures, I could get rupees 50,000 for the last 2 years. I used to give asola and special Ko-Fi grass as fodder. The earning of 25,000 per annum is a side income for me which has utilized for the education of my children who is studying in the 8th and 5th standards. Thanks to Department of Science and Technology and Center for Social Development. I am Pechamal from Mahendrapuram village. I am living in this village with my husband and 2 children of age 3 and 5 years. We used to go for toilet outside the village in the open space. Due to this, we are disturbed mentally. During rainy season and night times, it is painful to go outside for defecation. At this stage, we have been provided with an opportunity to construct a toilet in our house. We constructed the toilet with the manual help extended from our side and material and masonry work from Center for Social Development and DST support. We are happy with the toilet and greatly acknowledge the help extended by DST New Delhi to our family. My name is Prema from Mahendrapuram village. Under the SC development project, I have been provided with 10 chicks. I was rearing the chicks as a part-time work. I have expanded this unit and now I am having 50 hens yielding at an average of 30 eggs per day. I am getting rupees 240 as income per day. Expenses for poultry feed, grain, etc., which cost about 100 rupees per day. By selling these eggs, I am getting rupees 140 as income. Thanks to Department of Science and Technology, New Delhi. My name is Subharda. I have studied up to +2 and after completion of my education, I was unemployed. I have lost my parents in an accident. Now I am under the care of my grandmother. I approached CSD institution for continuation of my education. I was interested in learning lab technician course. Since I cannot afford for paying fees, CSD institution took the responsibility and helped me by paying the fees and my travel expenses. After completion of the course, now I was employed in a nearby hospital in Radhapuram town at a monthly salary of rupees 8,000. I sincerely extending my gratitude to Department of Science and Technology for the support extending to me. Tailoring and garment designing is one of the major activity under this project. Out of 30 people trained under this program, the production has started with 11 trained beneficiaries as a unit. Ready-made garments and uniforms were manufactured in this unit. I am Kalyani of the same village and one of the beneficiaries of this unit. In this unit, I am getting an income of rupees 150 per day, which is a part-time job. Along with this, I get rupees 1500 rupees as profit share during each and every month. Thanks to DST New Delhi and Center for Social Development, Kanyakumari. The project village Mahendrapuram was full of mud and slush when we visited that village. So we thought we had to rectify this from the village. So we have planned to construct drainage and soakage pit in the village. Our institution under the project have been taken to construct drainage and disposal of wastewater coming from the houses. The spill out water from the common tap and individual tap from the households was made soaked with the construction of soakage pits. The streets of this village is now dry and clean. Thanks to DST for the support extended. I am Pechemal from Mahendrapuram village, living with my husband and two children. My husband is a private vehicle driver. I used to go for coolie wages. 2 years before, staff members from CSD came to my house for a visit. At that time, I was cooking our food in a traditional chula with some wet twigs. My kitchen is full of dark due to smoke. They suggested for a improved chula and constructed the same in my kitchen. Now I am regularly cooking the food in this chula only. I could found the difference in the time of cooking, which reduces by half an hour, and fuel consumption by 20 to 25%. The kitchen atmosphere is clean now, thanks to DST and CSD. My name is Kaleselvi, residing in Mahendrapuram village. For the 5 members family, I used firewood as fuel for cooking. I was having 2 cows in my house. I used to sell the cow dung to other people since I don't have any agricultural land. At this stage, I approached CSD's officials to construct a biogas plant in my house. They came and constructed the plant, and I have sufficient dung to feed the plant. Pit digging and gas stove are from our side, and the biogas was installed as DST support. After 30 days time, I am getting sufficient biogas for 2 times cooking. At around 2.5 hours time, I am getting gas. And the biogas slurry which comes out of the plant was collected in the nearby pit. For the last 2 seasons, I sold the slurry to the agricultural activity and got money of rupees 3000 per season of 6 months duration. My kitchen is now clean and free from smoke. I need not spend any time for collecting firewood for my cooking, and I am utilizing the time to take care of my family members. Thanks to DST and CSD. My name is Selvi from Mahendrapuram village. I have been provided with a cow under the DSC supported project implemented by CSD. After 10 months, my cow gave birth to a calf. I got at an average of 10 liters milk from 2 times. In addition to cattle feed, I gave 500 grams of asola and green fodder which are being cultivated by me. Per day, the cattle feed expenditure came to rupees 150. All the milk has been sold in retail in the village only. I could get rupees 250 per day as income. Since cooling chamber was also provided with me, I keep the milk in the cooling chamber. Other beneficiaries under the same project was also using the same cooling chamber to keep their milk for preservation. After 6 months, I could procure one more cow, and now I am rearing these 2 cows. I am getting rupees 14 to 15,000 as my earnings, which includes my wages. Now I am planning to have one more cow by obtaining loan from the bank, and I could undertake a mini dairy in my house. I am happy with this activity, and by this I am expressing my sincere thanks to DST and CSD.